Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power off and unplug the Xbox 360, remove drives and controllers so nothing shorts while you work. Once done, test 2 known good disks to confirm the problem persists. This rules out a bad disk. Make sure you have T8 and T10 Torx drivers, a soft cloth, and 90% isopropyl alcohol at hand. You'll save time by preparing tools. Now move to carefully removing the outer shell to access the DVD unit. Do it slowly to avoid breaking tabs. Once the shell is off, remove the metal shield and unbolt the DVD drive. You'll see the laser assembly and ribbon cable. Carefully unplug and reseat the ribbon. Loose contacts are a common cause. Next, open the drive cover if needed and clean the lens with a lint-free swab lightly moistened with isopropyl. Do short, single-direction strokes to avoid smearing. If you find worn gears or stripped teeth, note them now. Replacing those before reassembly prevents repeat failures. Reinstall the drive and reconnect every cable securely, then reassemble the shell. Boot the console and run the dashboard. Insert several disks and let the drive spin and seek for 10 to 15 minutes to self-calibrate. If it reads now, run a game to verify reliability. If it still refuses to read, the next step is swapping with a known good donor drive or replacing the laser assembly. This is often the only way left. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes, check the drive fuse or motherboard power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.